Hi everybody, my name's Mitcham Turner. Welcome back to the Big Rig Compliance YouTube channel. The last couple of videos I've done have been about submitting permit applications. Today I've got two videos I'm going to record. The first one is called renewing a permit. So when you have a permit, the permits can be valid for about 3 years. Normally 6 months to 12 months is what you receive. 3 years is great. When it expires, if you want to renew, we can do it for one permit application fee before the permit expires. If we allow the permit to expire, we have to start from scratch and we have to pay either for every route or every council, every road. This particular permit that we're renewing was nearly $1,000 worth of fees back when we had to renew it because it was allowed to expire. The second thing we're going to do today is reply to an information request. So an information request is when the regulator want to communicate something with you. I don't know what the regulator want to know about our permit. We'll find out together. If you don't know me, my name is Mitcham Turner. I am the one and only employee of Big Rig Compliance. I'm an NHVAS auditor. I've just become a skills examiner. I do WA accreditation, truck safe accreditation, and a heap of other stuff. Anything involving heavy vehicle national law or chain of responsibility. We do a lot of consulting, auditing, change management, procedures, anything like that. I do want to do a lot more work diary based videos because I know that the drivers love it. And to be a bit cheeky, my channel has a lot of viewers of those diaries. So if anybody has any issues that you want me to break down or explain for you, please reach out and I'll make a video on it. Let's go. This is the landing page of the NHVR Portal, or what is now called NHVR Go. This is the landing page of the NHVR Portal, or what is now called NHVR Go. When I direct you around, I'm generally going to start with the bar down the left-hand side of the page. And today we're going to go to Access Permits, which looks like a little suitcase. Access Permits. Now, we need to have a look at renewing a permit. So we go to the Permit Library. This is where your existing permits live. In the Permit Library here, we can see that this is a PBS and it is currently expiring on the 14th of August, 2025. We are going to click this button and we're going to go, what are the actions for this item? We are going to apply for renewal. Yes, we want to apply. Now we can ignore this red thing because we haven't submitted. We're going to go next. Travel details. We're going to request 3 years because that's the maximum period that we can request. Let's hope we get it. Now the roads, we don't need to change any roads. We're just renewing. So we go next. So PBS vehicle documents. I believe we have to upload one. So I'm going to pause and go get those documents now. I now have all of the PBS documents saved on my home page on my desktop. So I'm going to click Add. And I'm going to go Desktop, KH Sons, and we're going to add. It would appear we can only add one at a time. So we're going to do one at a time. See if we can add this third one. No, we can't add it. It's too big. That is fine. We'll proceed to next. We're going to make myself, Mitcham, the contact, and we're going to go next. And we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and we've read the terms and conditions, and we're declaring that the details we've submitted in the application are correct. Well, and we've just got here Class 2 PBS. We've got some PBS vehicles. There's a VA number linked. We've added some documents, and we're going to hit submit. Now, I won't show you the credit card payment because, of course, that will be revealing my credit card details. But I'll add all those in here now. Click pay, and then we are done. Right, so I've got my little receipt here for the last payment, and I'm going to change accounts. Now, the information request is on a LawMac permit. And we're going to go to access permits again. And here we're going to go to case tracker. Case tracker is where we can see permit requests that are submitted and awaiting some response. Now here we can see that this permit request we've had, it's being assessed. The current status is information is required from the customer being you or the portal owner. And we can see that it's been with the regulator for 6 days and now it's with me. So we're going to click on this, see what the problem is. We go to case management. In case management, we have a note. There's one thing there to look at and a request. Information required. We have to attach a copy of our certificate. So I don't have that right now, so I'll source that. We would normally use add file to add the particular file. Maybe add some comments if you want. Then you can click submit response. And then you are done. And that is replying to an information request. Now, normally a lot of these applications or information requests will just be a request for an extension. You can't really deny them because the regulator you can't deny the extension and then it just gets done quicker, unfortunately. It'll normally be either a request for an extension, a request for more time from the council, or potentially a proposition of a change in route. So they might change your roads. That's replying to an information request. I'll get that document, add it, click submit, and that is 2 jobs done on the portal for a Tuesday morning. Thank you again for checking in on the new video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you need assistance with any permits, please give me a holler. I also do NHVAS auditing, WAHVA auditing. And as I said in the intro, if you have any specific problems around logbooks or compliance in general, please get in contact. We will be able to help you out. I'm based down in Melbourne, Victoria. We do a little bit of travel and we can also assist remotely if required. Thank you very much. See you next time.